Alright, yesterday we opened up these Seibon side skirts, and without seeing any diagrams or looking at the factory side skirts yet, I have a couple concerns with these. We're gonna make them work, but this is just for anyone to know that may be looking at getting these. So I immediately noticed as you go down, the holes are not in the same places, and they get worse the further down we go. And by the time you get to the end, like I don't know what's going on down here or how well you can even see that, but I mean it's pretty far off, you know, roughly half an inch. So I'm hoping that these holes aren't supposed to be lining up to anything from the factory, but we'll see. We're gonna do our best to make them work. And then not only is that spacing not, sorry, my camera screen went blank. I thought it turned off. So not only is the spacing off lengthwise, it's off this way as well. So on this side we have roughly, I'd say 1 3/8 where it starts to curve up and meet, you know, what's already on the vehicle. On this one, and on this side it's about 1 1/8, so maybe even only an inch. It's hard to tell because of the way it's tapered, but these are going to be interesting to put on, that's for sure. But they look good. Just thought everybody should know that.